Hi guys, how are you doing? You're very welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome to this video. If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. This video today is going to be me showing you how I achieved this look using the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette Truffle. If you see how I achieved this look, please keep watching to the end and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, also hit the bell for notification when more videos are uploaded. Thank you. Okay guys, so I have got my bare face. I'm going to start with my brows. Okay, so my brows are done, so we are going to jump straight into the reason for this video. The e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette, literally like so small. When it came in the packaging, I was like, whoa, this is small. When they say bite size, they mean bite size. Okay, I got it in the shade Truffle. It's literally came in a package like a few days ago. I thought, why not review this and do like an eyeshadow tutorial that you can wear using just one palette. Some people think you need to have like more than one palette to be able to get like nice eyeshadow looks, but you don't really need more than one or two palettes. As long as you've got nice warms and like neutral shades as well as shimmers, if that's your thing, then you're good to go. So this Bite Size eyeshadow palette, it's got 3 mattes and a shimmer shade. The packaging is so cute. It's so tiny, it can literally fit in any bag. Very travel friendly if you want to travel with like makeup, eyeshadow, and you don't want to take like your massive eyeshadow palettes. This one is very travel friendly. On the website it says it's very pigmented and easy to blend, so we'll be trying that out today. Without further ado, let's dive into this video. I'll be doing a smoky eyeshadow look using every single shade in this palette. So I'm first of all using the black shade. I'm going to be packing this on my eyelids. Actually looking pretty good. Pigments, yeah, definitely a pigmented shadow palette. But then with eyeshadow palettes, you really can't go wrong with black. Black should really be the most pigmented eyeshadow shade in any palette. Okay, I'm just going to keep going in with that black and I'm just bringing it above my crease. With this, I like to work in sections slowly and sort of build up the smokiness. And I'm going in with the brown shades and I'm just going to use that to blur the edges. So I'm just working this in and just blending the edges of that eyeshadow shade. And then what you're going to see me do is go back and forth with these brushes, and it's just me adding more black and blending it out again. Okay, I'm doing a rounded motion blending with this. I mean, so far for me, it's easy to blend. I haven't really struggled with like blending the eyeshadows. So far so good. So now going into the lighter brown shade, and I'm just going to use that to blend right at the top of everything. And I'm going to bring it into my corners, holding the brush right at the end, using very light hand. So this is what we have. We're going to stop here for now. I will do my other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. The second eye is done. Seeing as the face is not the reason why we're here, I will do the rest of my face and I will be back to complete the eye and obviously show you guys the end result. So my face is done. Now we're going to go back into the eyes and add a little bit of va va voom. So first of all, I will smoke out my bottom lash line. So I'm actually going to apply the dark brown shadow first and then just connecting it with the shadow from my eyelid and then just bringing it all the way. Now going into the black shade, and then I'm just going to apply this on my lash line. I've got really sensitive eyes. Whenever I'm applying eyeshadow into my lower lash line, I start getting teary, so I need to be very careful with this and then making sure I'm looking up. If you struggle with that as well, please put it in the comment box below. I genuinely feel like I am the only one that struggles with stuff like that. Whenever I watch people do their makeup, I just feel like, wow, I genuinely wish that I didn't have a problem with like teary eyes and stuff, but I do. And it's an issue. So I'm just gonna continue that blend, and then I just took the lighter brown to soften the edges. We're gonna clean up this extra bit here. You could easily use a black kohl pencil to smoke out your bottom lash line, but I'm trying to do the whole eye look just using this palette, hence why I'm not using a kohl pencil for this. So I'm just going to use my concealer to clean up the bottom lash line a little bit. Okay, so this eye seems to be fine. I don't know if you can see that, but it's coming up quite patchy. Let's add some more. Okay, so now we're going to add the shimmer shade on top of this eyeshadow look. I'm going to be using my finger for more color payoff. Oh, this is super pigmented indeed. So I'm just going to place this all over my lid. Hey, so if you're liking what you're hearing and seeing so far, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, also hit the bell for notifications when more videos are uploaded. Thank you. Normally, I am not someone that's drawn to this kind of shimmery shade because it's silvery greyish and I'm a gold person all the way, but I'm actually liking this. You can see how it's literally going on like butter. Ooh, butter. What do you think of this look? Is this a kind of look that you would go for? Is this something that you would do for your party? Let me know in the comment box below. Let's have a little chat about this look and just let me know if it's giving or if it's just not giving. Just get our mascara and lashes on and listen, the look is good to go. Okay, so this is the final look. I am actually feeling this look. So my honest opinion and my final thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. Yes, it is super pigmented, as you can see. It's so easy to blend. The only issue that I experienced was I noticed that this eye was a little bit patchy, so obviously I had to add more black eyeshadow to it and then blended it out. But apart from that, I love the eyeshadow palette. As I said, it's so small and compact. You can take it with you wherever you go, and it retails for £4. So for £4, I mean, for me initially I was like nah, this is not me at all, but I'm actually feeling the final look is actually stunning. I have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you have this palette, if you have purchased it, if you've used it before, what you think about it. I think that's it for me. Please like this video if you did like it and share it with your friends, your family and your neighbors. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.